Happy Monday, everyone. Good evening to you. Thank you for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. $1 million. That's the donation behind Starkville's downtown library renovation. And it looks incredible. Check this out. The plan: a new facade, new flooring, an updated children's room, bathroom renovations, and a new mural. Architect Thomas Stewart says final design should be ready in December. Construction should be wrapped by next summer. An anonymous donor made it all possible. Mayor Lynn Spruill says she found someone willing to put up the money after the board passed on a smaller proposal last year. Some library services will be disrupted during construction, but the officials say they'll work to keep things running where they can. But it's a much different story at the West Point Library. The library in West Point is hoping a donation will help them fix this. It is a broken microfilm machine. Do you remember microfilm? It's very important because it is the only way to see about 500 rolls of microfilm, including newspapers dating back to 1873 in West Point. The machine was damaged after a leak at the library. It's going to cost $13,000 to replace. It cannot be fixed. It has to be replaced. Donations are being taken right now. You can drop it off at the circulation desk. You can also just mail it in, or if you're at the Prairie Arts Festival book sale September 5th, you can donate there as well. Preparations are happening right now in Oxford to demolish the Tad Pad. Kind of a sad day. The city of Oxford posting these photos on Facebook today showing crews putting up the fencing, bringing in the large cranes and equipment to start taking down the almost 60-year-old Coliseum on the Ole Miss campus. Plans for the site include new surface parking areas while the university determines future building needs. From 1966 to 2016, CM Tad Smith Coliseum was home to Ole Miss basketball before the program was moved. The last game played in the Tad Pad, November 2025, a reunion game of sorts. No word yet on when that demolition will begin. And it's the beginning of a new month. Happy August to you. And there is a new prize in this year's St. Jude Dream Home giveaway, and it is a good one. If you get your ticket to the Dream Home right now, you'll also be entered to win a 2026 Polaris Ranger, courtesy of the Dream Day Foundation. It's really cool. Looks like a lot of fun, too. Tickets for the Dream Home are $100. More than half of the tickets are already gone, so make sure you get your ticket now. All the money goes to help the families and patients at the St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Get your ticket by going to dreamhome.org. You can also call 1-800-456-8351. You can also, there's three ways, the Mississippi Live app. Just scroll down, you'll see St. Jude Dream Home. Click on it and you'll be able to get your tickets there. Thank you so much for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. I hope you have a great evening.